So guys, welcome to my channel and go to this URL first website gigabyte.com. This is officially website. Okay, then you can see a right hand side search key and click on that and type your model number of your motherboard Z790 AORUS XTREME and click to download. Click on product. Stream X only stream. This one stream. Then click to support. So select your operating system Windows 10, 11 if you are using suppose Windows 10. So you can follow the video of Windows 10 and you can install easily. Bluetooth driver. So this is Bluetooth driver and click to download. It is downloaded, just single click. Then yes. And then close.